Flask SQLAlchemy query, specify column names. How do I specify the column that I want in my query using a model? It selects all columns by default. I know how to do this with the SQLAlchemy session.queryself.call1, but how do I do it with models? I can't do some model.query. Is there a way?
You can use the with_entities method to restrict which columns you'd like to return in the result. Documentation. Depending on your requirements, you may also find deferreds useful. They allow you to return the full object but restrict the columns that come over the wire.
Is the same as. For alias, we can use label.
You can use load_only function.
You can use model.query, because the model, or usually its base class, especially in cases where declarative extension is used, is assigned session.query_property. In this case the model.query is equivalent to session.query_model. I am not aware of the way to modify the columns returned by the query, except by adding more using add_columns. So your best shot is to use the session.query model.call1, model.call2, as already shown by Salil.